Hi, I'm Dominic. I'm ATC's customer specialist, and today I'm going to be talking to you about your awnings. If you have a Firefly in your play model, in your toy hauler, you're going to control your power awning from the Firefly screen. So how you get there is you're going to go to your slide out screen. It's the trailer with the awning and the slide out on it. Click that, and you're going to have options on this screen. On this one, we have the curbside awning. So when I want to extend that, I'm just going to hold extend here. You do have to hold it down while you're extending it. So your awning won't automatically stop when it's out. It's important to not let it roll back on itself, and it will if you don't stop. So how I know to stop holding down the button is once I see the flap drop horizontal, I know I'm good. All right, so if I'm camping, hanging out under the awning and start to get a little bit of rain, I don't want it pooling on top. I want the water to roll off a certain direction. On each side, there's an elbow here. All you have to do is pull that down and it will hold in place. Now your water is gonna roll off the side instead of it pooling off the top. And when I wanna put it back to the regular pitch, I just push that up and you're good. It's also important that when you go to pull that awning back in, you do want to make sure that you push that elbow back up. We've also had a lot of people ask if there's a way to manually pull your awning back in the scenario where you would run out of power. There is an option. On your right side there where the motor is, there's a little circular cap. If you pull that cap out, all you need is a 7/16 nut driver and you'll be able to manually pull that awning back in.